Hi guys, it's Yanni from Yiannimize, and you might have noticed that I haven't posted this car a lot on social media. Why? You've seen plenty of my Urus that is now skinned in purple. You've seen loads of my SV Roadster, which is now parked up. And this one has just had the Nero kit and wheels fitted. So it is now back. I've tinted the windows. I need to decide what color to wrap it. I'm asking you guys at home. There's so many colors that I can go. Satin black, of course, is the obvious one and probably does look the best. Very Batman, very stealth. But purple, yellow, red, blue, or do we stick with the black? Click here for the polls on that, by the way, yeah, for all the colors. Let me know. A lot of people said to me, why did you buy the same car? So why did you sell one Aventador S and buy another Aventador S? There's one big difference. This one has got no roof. It's a convertible. Obviously, I'm going to be doing the Yiannimize Grand Tour, so I wanted a convertible when I'm driving around. You know the countries we're going to. It's going to be lovely and hot, so I want to see that sun. So here is my Nero Design NDS one wheel. On my previous car, I had the NDS 2, which is more like a 5-spoke in gloss black. The only thing I'm not sure about is it's got like a satin finish. I can't decide whether to keep them like this or to go gloss black. You may be thinking, why did I put the full Nero kit on the car before I actually wrap it? The reason is, I don't actually know what colour to wrap the car. So I thought, let me put the kit on, drive it around for now until I can decide. I honestly don't know what colour to wrap this. I like to try and stay ahead of the game, try and do things that are different. That is why you see my Urus in the skin rather than a wrap. I've done so many different colours. I've done satin, I've done matte, I've done chrome, I've done pearl. Help me out. If you're going to tell me a colour and if you're going to say red, tell me why I should do it red or why I should do it satin black. I like to be different. I know a lot of people don't always like the colours of my cars, but I like to do it for myself personally. I like to stand out. It's what I do for a living. So the whole idea of my car is for people to talk about it. Whether you say it's amazing or whether you say you hate it, you're going to be like, have you seen that guy's car, that guy Yiannimize's car? It works. Advertising, branding, exposure. That's what I'm about.
Brand everything.
Things to take into account when you're trying to choose a colour. The interior. Obviously my interior is black and green, so I need something to try and match the outside of the car. Calipers. If the calipers are black, you can go any colour. If they're green or orange, again, you need to actually think about that unless you're going to change the colour. A lot of people, and I've seen this so many times on social media, why don't you just buy the car in the colour that you like? Yeah, it does make sense, but you can't always get every single colour. There's not always a specific blue or a specific green or a specific red. Usually when I buy my cars brand new, I usually go for a grey or a black, as you've seen in my Urus and my previous Aventador S. This car I bought had 900 miles, so it was already spec'd. However, the Verde Mantis is a great colour and great for resale. But for now, I need to wrap it. I need to change the colour of the car because it is what I do for a living and I need to advertise and promote my brand. One thing that's really cool, obviously it has no roof. However, if you need to put luggage somewhere, there's nowhere to put it. So let me show you where the roof goes. So it goes in here. And as you can see, there's no room for anything. On the Huracans, the roof comes down electric. On the Aventadors, they don't. There's two pods, one's there, one's behind. I'll show you. As you can see, literally that is what it is. And that goes on the roof of the car. When you do the Yiannimize Grand Tour, actually, here's a quick plug. We actually have a luggage vehicle because a lot of cars are Lambos and Ferraris. So they have no space to put luggage. So we have a luggage vehicle that actually takes all the luggage to the hotel for you. So when you arrive, don't need to worry about it. So I've actually had this car about 4 weeks and usually I do everything straight away. What's been the delay? My kit was sitting there ready to be fitted and I had a customer ring me from Cyprus and said, I've just bought a Lamborghini Aventador S, can I have the full Nero kit? And because we only had one sitting there in stock, I was like, customer comes first. So obviously I put the kit on his car and sent that to Cyprus and then obviously we made a brand new one for my car. So that is why it's taken a little while to actually start working on this car. But now that it's done, obviously I want to speed up the process. So I need to sort that colour out. If you don't know what the Yiannimize Grand Tour is, if you click here, you can see the trailer for that. There's going to be loads of these cars driving from Marbella to London. It's going to be a movie. Also guys, there's going to be one opportunity for a startup business to join us on the Yiannimize Grand Tour for free. All the details are right here. This is a genuine opportunity, guys. I can't wait to see your entries. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, click the bell icon as well so you know when we upload a video, and I'll see you soon. Take care.